Hello, traders. FS Pipgaletti here. Today is Wednesday, July 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the monthly Aussie dollar, I think this first move up is a three-way pattern for a W. I definitely see three ways down for an X, and I think it's going to end up making three ways up for a wave Y, most likely going up and taking out these highs and looking something like that. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's very clear that this move up right here probably is an uptrend. That's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this move down is a crescent to that uptrend, and I think that we're going to end up continuing the uptrend even more to eventually make that wave 3, 4, and 5 to make that wave Y, just like I was showing on the longer time frames. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still believe this first move up right here is a 1. I think this move down is a 2, and I still believe that anything we see to the downside is just going to be a crescent to the uptrend and that it will continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So keeping all this in mind, let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where you can see that we possibly already have three ways down right here. Now, looking at the dollar index and other dollar pairs, I'm not really convinced that it's over yet. I kind of think there's a good chance it could do something like that before it actually does end up ending this correction. Most of the other dollar pairs look like this first move down is actually only a wave A. This one looks like it's already made three ways down. So if we do see an impulsive engulfing move to the upside, it may end up be worth getting into to learn out whether it's going to make a crescent and then go down again, or to learn whether it just keeps on trending up, making higher highs, higher lows. So let's take a look at that on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we do have three waves down. We got one, two, and three waves down. Like I said, I'm not really convinced that it's over yet. I think it's going to go down even more. But if I do see a nice big impulsive engulfing move to the upside, especially if it happens at a Fibonacci retracement level and we have a breakup structure, that would definitely be a long opportunity for me for potentially the continuation of the uptrend. Now, like I said, I was kind of suspecting that the next move up very easily could be like a correction and that it may end up going down one more time before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. So I'm definitely not really convinced that this is over yet, but I do think this move down is all part of a big correction to this move up, and eventually it will end the correction and end up continuing the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.